The world watched in awe as history was being made before their eyes. Sweden, known for its neutrality and peaceful stance, unveiled a technological marvel that would change the landscape of aerial combat. A sixth-generation fighter jet, the FS 2035 Draken, was born. This jet was not just another aircraft, it was a symbol of innovation and cutting-edge technology. This wasn't just an upgrade, it was a statement of intent, a bold move that signaled Sweden's entry into the elite club of air dominance. Sweden was now a major player in the future of air combat, showcasing its prowess through advanced simulations and rigorous training exercises. The unveiling sent shockwaves across the globe. Defense analysts were stunned, and world leaders were intrigued by this unexpected development. The Draken wasn't just a leap forward, it was a teleportation to the future of warfare, integrating the latest in aerospace technology and design. The Draken was a bold declaration of Sweden's capabilities and ambitions in the realm of defense and technology. Sweden, a country not known for military aggression, had entered a new era. This era was marked by a commitment to technological excellence and strategic defense. An era of technological dominance in the air where the skies would never be the same again. The FS 2035 Draken is more than a machine. It is the embodiment of next-generation technology. Its stealth capabilities are unmatched. Imagine a plane nearly invisible to radar, a ghost in the sky. The Draken boasts an advanced AI system. This isn't just automation. It's a co-pilot, learning and adapting in real time. The jet is designed for networked warfare, seamlessly integrating with other systems. But the most impressive feature? Hypersonic speeds. The ability to outmaneuver and outrun any adversary. The Draken is equipped with advanced sensor systems, providing an unparalleled understanding of the battle space. The world was caught off guard. No one anticipated this level of technological advancement from Sweden. The Draken's capabilities seemed ripped from the pages of science fiction. They were almost too advanced to comprehend. What makes the Draken truly unmatched is its combination of features. Stealth, AI, hypersonic speed, and networked warfare capabilities create an unprecedented force multiplier. It is this synergy that makes the Draken so formidable. The Draken's unveiling wasn't just an event. It was a paradigm shift in military thinking. It shattered existing notions of air superiority and ushered in a new era of technological dominance. Section 4, a paradigm shift. The world reacts to the Draken. Reactions to the Draken were a mix of awe and apprehension. The world watched in real time as this marvel of engineering took to the skies, showcasing capabilities that were previously thought to be the stuff of science fiction. Allies were impressed, eager to learn more about this game-changer. They saw the Draken as a leap forward in aerial combat, a tool that could redefine their own defense strategies and bolster their military strength. Potential adversaries were wary, forced to reassess their own military strategies. The Draken's advanced technology posed a significant challenge, compelling them to rethink their approach to air defense and offense. The unveiling sparked a global debate. Experts and analysts from around the world weighed in, discussing the implications of such a powerful aircraft on international security and geopolitical stability. Some praised Sweden's technological prowess. They marveled at the innovation and engineering excellence that made the Draken possible, seeing it as a testament to human ingenuity and progress. Others questioned the destabilizing potential of such advanced weaponry. They worried that the Draken could escalate tensions and lead to an arms race with nations scrambling to develop their own advanced fighters. The Draken had become a symbol of a new arms race, one driven by cutting-edge technology. It represented the future of aerial combat, where speed, agility, and advanced systems would dominate the skies. One thing was clear: the rules of the game had changed. The Draken's introduction marked a turning point, forcing nations to reconsider their military strategies and alliances. The Draken had raised the bar for air superiority, forcing other nations to either adapt or be left behind. Its impact on global military dynamics was undeniable, setting a new standard for what was possible in the realm of aerial warfare. Section 5. The Future of Warfare. Implications and Uncertainties. The FS 2035 Draken is a glimpse into the future of warfare. This advanced fighter jet represents the cutting edge of military technology, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in aerial combat. A future where artificial intelligence, hypersonic speeds, and networked systems dominate the battlefield. These technologies promise to revolutionize how wars are fought, making them faster, more precise, and potentially more devastating. The implications are far-reaching and complex. Military strategists must now consider new variables and scenarios that were previously unimaginable. Will this technology lead to a more volatile world? The potential for increased tensions and conflicts is a significant concern, or will it serve as a deterrent, preventing large-scale conflicts? The answers remain unclear. Diplomats and military leaders are grappling with these questions as they navigate this new landscape. One thing is certain: the Draken has irrevocably altered the landscape of modern warfare. Its capabilities are a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of technological advancement. The future is unwritten, but the FS 2035 Draken has given us a glimpse of what's to come. It symbolizes both the potential and the peril that lie ahead. It is a future filled with both promise and peril. The balance between these two forces will shape the world in ways we can only begin to imagine. A future where technology reigns supreme. The choices we make today will determine the path we take tomorrow.